In this video, we're going to learn how to create images using HTML. So first, we're going to create a new file and call it images.html. And we're going to copy the code from the hello world file and change the title to images. Okay. So first, I'm going to get a picture, okay, which is I'm going to put inside the HTML folder. But first, I'm going to create another folder in there. I'm going to call it images. And I'm going to place the picture in there. Okay, so now if you go to images inside the HTML folder, you can see the picture in there. All right. So now we're going to go to the body element and just create a picture or an image. So the tag we need to use for this is image, img, okay, and it's a self-enclosing tag. So we just need to add a few attributes to the tag. Okay, so first we're gonna give it a source attribute. Okay, so our file is inside the images folder. So I'm just going to go to the images folder, okay, and then we're going to write picture.jpg. So the picture at the moment is very big because we haven't specified any dimensions for the picture in the attributes. But to fix that, we're going to add a width of 200 pixels, for example, and a height of 150 pixels. Okay, and also we can add another attribute. It's called alt, which will just show some text, okay, if the picture doesn't show up. So if for any reason the picture doesn't show up, the browser is just gonna show this text instead. Okay, so that's how you create an image using HTML. All right, let's add a paragraph after the image. Nice picture. And now we're going to create another image. And the difference with this image is going to be the source of the image. At the moment, we have used an image that's inside our project folder. Okay. But now we're going to use another image, which is going to be taken from a server outside ours. So again, we're going to use the image tag. Okay, and the source this time is going to be a website. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to a website where we can get some free pictures. I'm going to go to the freenaturestock.com. Okay, and let's get this first picture from there. So we're gonna do, I'm just gonna click on the picture and then click right and then copy image URL. Okay, okay, it's been loading. It's quite a big picture. And now we're going to add some attributes again. So we're going to set the width to 200 pixels and the height to 120 pixels, for example. And also we can add an alt attribute. Okay, let's call it nature.